New information on Friday's tragic bus crash in St.Ann. A policewoman is the owner of the bus. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, relatives mourn after two teenagers drown in St. James.
Rains leave roads damaged again in St. Thomas.
A new Primetime News series, The People Who Feed the Nation.
And in the business day, Jamaica Customs faces more criticisms from customs brokers.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
In light of our new Primetime News series, we're asking if you were to go into farming, what would be your biggest concern?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after these messages.